Hello besties and welcome back to today's video. I'm gonna make some atmosphere for us today because I have a really nice unboxing to do, and that has to do with sunsets and like beautiful things. So get comfy. I'm over here to show you what I got from Icegel and all the beautiful products that came to me all the way from Korea. So
she addicted to the manicures and coffee.
So this is what the box looks like, and it is so like eco-friendly and pretty, like the company itself, of course. I don't know, it came in another box so that this won't get damaged. That was precisely the size of this box, but like just a little bigger so that it can fit this one. It was a really good first impression. So opening the box, this is a collection with powders. And we got the Sunset Glow powder set. And then we got the Sunset Neon powder set. This one has 5 colors and this one has 6 colors. And we're gonna open them all together today and try them. It also comes with this Heavy Metal Ice Gel, which is pretty much a chrome liner gel. And I will show you what I mean right away. And this is just like amazing. It's like liquid chrome and oh my god, it looks mesmerizing. I already have something in my head that I want to do. So we'll see how we're going to use this. And of course they always bring a little palette so that you can do the swatches. This time I'm going to do the swatches in something like this. I saw it somewhere online and it looks so much cleaner. So we're going to put some swatches of all the colors here. Here it also comes with some very helpful instructions of how to use this metallic color in English and Korean. And let's see what else. Oh, this is so pretty. This is a top gel for powder. Like they have products that are precisely for these reasons. And let's start from this Sunset Glow. I'm gonna be reading this while you guys see some close-ups of the colors themselves. So our sunset powder is meticulously crafted in Korea and Japan with great care, using only the finest quality ingredients. It is handmade to ensure superior quality. We take pride in the fact that famous cosmetic companies also utilize these same ingredients. Sunset powder is not your ordinary shimmer powder. It is a micro powder with a dense and weighty texture, offering 10 times the effectiveness of regular powders. Therefore, you only need a small amount using the tiniest tap of the brush when applying the powder. To minimize powder fallout and prevent allergies, we utilize the highest quality pigments. We believe that prioritizing the quality of ingredients is crucial. Settling for cheap and low quality alternatives would be an unfair choice for our nails. After all, our nails are an important part of our body and deserve proper care. Thank you for supporting and understanding our dedication to providing our customers with the highest quality products. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We appreciate you choosing Sunset Powder. It also shows us the directions of how to use them. First, base gel, cure for 30 seconds. Second, your color gel, cure for 30 seconds. Third, the powder top gel, cure for 20 to 30 seconds, but no more than 30. 4, apply sunset powder or others. 5, file the edge of the nails. 6, multi-cover gel or clear gel, recommended, cure for 30 seconds. And finally, top gel, cure for 30 seconds. And the palette again. They all come with an applicator. And of course the powder itself. Let's see what this looks like. Very nicely sealed. Wow. Oh my god, you guys, this is actually so fun. And I actually made a mess, but wow. It looks like a little goes a long way. And you can see from my hand here, this is actually mesmerizing. So this one is called the Maldives Sunset. And I'm gonna take the sticker and put it right under it so that I know what it is. This is called Boracay Sunset. Let's be a little more careful this time. Oh wow, this is like a blue purplish shimmer. And here we have Bali Sunset. Oh wow. I don't know how well you guys can see. This has more orange tones. Moving to Pink Platinum. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be such like my vibe. Oh my goodness. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So for me, actually, I'm going to remove these and I'm going to store all my powders. I just store them in something like this. I got those off of Shein and they just fit everything perfectly so that it doesn't move and it doesn't turn around and stuff. And the last one from this series is the White Platinum. Oh my god. And this is what this looks like. Oh wow. This is gonna make such a nice pearl effect. I feel like they're all absolutely freaking gorgeous. I also think this is gonna be great for like some bridal nails. Whenever I'm getting married, I think I'm gonna put this on my nails. This is beautiful. As I told you, I'm gonna put all the brushes away somewhere. And my friends, let's move on this package because this is all the colorful ones. So yes, let's see. I'm really amazed and impressed that they have all the colors like at the right order. They're so organized. And here you have the powder palette and some instructions again. A bigger box. This one has the multi-cover gel and the powder top gel for a second time, I feel like. I know these already have them on, so let's hop on to them and I'll show you. This is number 29, Orange Sunset. Wow, so pigmented. Moving on to Silver Sunset. Oh wow, this is such a nice graphite color, like not such a light silver, but actually much darker. Then we're going on Pink Sunset. Would you guys store them like this so you can see their names and all? Or would you actually remove that and store them this way up? I'm not sure. Can you tell me in the comments? This is the Pink Sunset. Those colors are low-key beautiful. Number 32 is a Green Sunset. Wow. Then we got this beautiful Rose Sunset. Wow. Speaking of pigment, oh my god. Wow, I'm honestly amazed. And that's all 10, but we have an extra one that's called Yellow Sunset. And this is what this looks like a deep golden one. Super pretty. I think I'm gonna make some swatches. So let me set my palettes. And they always give you a second one in case you mess it up or you want multiple palettes. So that's also very handy. So let's start. I'm gonna paint all these with the powder top gel. And then we're gonna give it for 20 seconds and then we're gonna rub all the powders on with no color because I wanna see how the actual thing is. I also want to tell you that Icegel is vegan friendly, it doesn't test on animal, it doesn't have any allergic products. They're usually like value for money, you don't need a lot of product for their uses. Okay, so I've applied this all over here and I'm gonna cure it for 20. Perfect, so let's start. I'm gonna do it with my finger. Wow. This looks so pretty. And I have 10 fingers, so we'll see how this is gonna work. You can also use these silicone things to do it. So right here is the pink platinum. And last one from this series. This is such a pretty collection, guys. And this is the white platinum. These are amazing. Let's go on the neon ones. Let me unpack them first and then do it. So let me start right here by putting all the colors. This is the orange. Oh, beautiful. Pink. Green. The rose. And the yellow. Oh, wow. So beautiful. And they look like this. Very important when you're doing powders and like mirror effects and stuff like that is to just dust away all the product before you do the top coat. Now we're talking about samples, so we're not going to take any extra steps apart from the top coat, but whenever you have it on your nail, you should put the extra cover gel. It's going to make it stick. And you can either put some primer on the sides of your nail, or you can just slightly file it off, like the powder, so that the top coat actually adheres to your nail and seals it so that it doesn't get any air and just makes bubbles on your chrome or mirror, and that's gonna make you really sad if you're like me. So let me put some top coat here, cure them, and after that I'm gonna stick them over here. So I've also cured this for 30 seconds, and that's all they need. Let me put some top coat on it. I feel like maybe if I stirred it a little bit more, it would be even better, because now I can see some lines. But we're gonna test it with some line art soon. And here you have the whole Sunset Glow powder. These look amazing. I'm thinking of a French tip with some pearls and some of these colors on top. This is gonna be so classy. And then you got the neon ones, which I think that if you pair them with like a color that matches these, it's gonna be so pretty. And of course, after all, you have this nickel one. I do have to file the edge here. And just pick it up with my picker, put it right in the middle here. This could be so much better. But yeah, you get it. This is what this looks like. Don't forget to follow Icegel on all of their social media, and stay tuned to watch this video right here when I'm going to be doing my nails with these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now to normal, regular, full-size me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and everything that we did today. And don't forget to give it a like, or subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems.